I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to your bitch?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't did a video in a very long time. Let me turn this one off. I haven't did a video in a very long time. I'm gonna do some videos today. Excuse my shirt because I ripped it. But I'm gonna do a face mask for you all today. I'm gonna do the face mask, the clear face mask right here so that y'all can see it. I actually got this product from Dollar General. I did it before with my boyfriend on our couples channel, but I'm gonna do it on my channel. So I'm just gonna do a quick face tutorial with this product. I actually use Neutrogena. No, I actually use Noxzema, not Neutrogena. I don't know why I be saying Neutrogena. I actually use Noxzema, the face cream, and I rub it in my face. But I really need to find some good quality face cleaners. I'm gonna just do more reviews on it and I'm gonna see. Well, first I'm gonna damp my face with the towel. I already have my towel. That's why I just turned the water on. So really what I do is with my face cloth, like try damp it on my face. I just wet it and wipe it and stuff. Wet it and wipe like this, just wipe it. I get a warm washcloth and I put it inside the sink and I just let the water run on it so I can get my face just wet it a little bit. Excuse my hair, I'm gonna do a tutorial on my blowout and stuff today, but this is my face tutorial for today. So I wet it and then my fingertips, they're moist from the washcloth, so I just grab it and I apply just enough for the areas that I'm using. So I get it like that, and then I get my other hand too and I apply it in because it's a peel off. It's a peel off face mask. Like this. I just moisturize it really into my skin. I don't do this every day because it says you can do it like once a week. So this is my first time in a while doing the face tutorial on my main channel. So I get it like this. Try not to touch my hair areas because oh my god, when you're pulling it off, it hurts. I mean, I get around my eyebrows and stuff in my face like this. My top of my eyelids like that, and I just go around and I just even it out so that y'all can see. I just even it out in my face, and I'll let it sit on my face for 10 to 15 minutes. That's how long you're supposed to let it sit on your face, so it can, so they can suck up in your pores and whatnot. So I just allow it to sit inside my face. Basically, will sit on my face for the 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'll be taking it off as well. Just let it sit. So now that it's all evened out in my face, I gotta make sure I apply it all over. But you just even it out. And it's very thick. It gives you, it's like a thick texture on your face. It's a peel off mask. So it just gives you like that thick texture on your face. Like that. And then you can even see on your hands like it's sticky. Like if any girls use Gorilla Snot, they'll understand like when you're slicking your edges, it gives that texture on your fingers. So I'm gonna let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm gonna show you how the peel off mask came out. So now it's ready for you to peel off. Well, for me to peel off. When it gets like this, it's ready to be peeled off. So you just take it and I peel it off with my fingers and I just peel it off like this. And I get all the excess of it. I peel it. It's all dry. When all this is like crease, like your creases come out like that, it's very dry. It's no moist to it. It has a shine to it though. And I just continue to peel it off like this. So now, as y'all can see, I am removing my face mask from my face. I let it dry up, and that's the excess part from being deep inside my pores. So I'm just removing it. You want to avoid the hairline in your eyebrows area. I didn't do that at all. I just really did my whole face. But you need to avoid those areas because it tells you on the bottle to avoid hairline and to avoid brows area, and I just did my own thing. So as you can see, I'm just getting the excess, and I got some in my hair. I didn't mean to do that, but that's just how it happened, and I'm just removing it so that y'all can see. Now I'm just gonna get the washcloth, a warm washcloth, and apply it over my face. Like, just wipe my face down. I really got my hair. Ugh. I just wipe it off. And this is what it looks like after the fact. And this concludes my video. Thank you all for watching today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave comments so I can know like how I did and you know what I can do better, or leave any tips or anything for me for facial cleaning products, because I need something to clean up my acne. I have like dark spots on my face, and that comes from me popping pimples as well. But please like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and I'm out.